Are you ready to unlock the potential of your smartphone and turn into a powerful tool for earning money in 2024? In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities waiting to be explored right at your fingertips. Imagine making $100 or more per day from the convenience of your phone. From freelancing to affiliate marketing, from content creation to online tutoring, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to embark on a journey where your creativity, skills, and determination pave the way to financial freedom. Join us as we dive into the exciting world of making money on your phone in 2024. Freelancing. Freelancing is essentially offering your skills and services to clients on a project basis, usually through online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These platforms act as an intermediaries, connecting freelancers with clients who require various services such as writing, graphic designing, programming, and more. As a freelancer, you have the flexibility to set your own rates, choose projects that align with your expertise and interests, and work from anywhere with the internet connection. By consistently completing projects, freelancers can easily earn up to $100 or more per day, depending on their skill level and the demand for their services. Online surveys. Many companies conduct market research to gather insights from consumers, and one popular method is through online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer users the opportunity to earn money by participating in these surveys. While individual survey payouts may vary, dedicated participants can easily reach up to $100 a day by completing multiple surveys across different platforms. Mobile apps and games testing. Before releasing new mobile apps or games to the public, developers often seek feedback from real users to identify bugs, usability issues, and overall user experience. Platforms like Playtest Cloud allows individuals to participate in these testing processes and provide valuable feedback in exchange for payment. Testers can typically earn $10 to $20 per month for a time, depending on the complexity of the testing tasks and the length of the testing session, with consistent testing opportunities reaching $160 per day is achievable for active testers. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals earn commissions by promoting products or services and driving sales for referrals through their unique affiliate links. Affiliate marketers can choose products or services relevant to their niche or audience and promote them through various channels such as social media, websites, blogs, email newsletters, or YouTube channels. Earnings from affiliate marketing can vary widely depending on factors like the affiliate's audience size, engagement level, and the effectiveness of their promotional efforts. However, successful affiliate marketers can generate passive income streams that accumulate over time, potentially reaching $100 or more per day with strategic promotion and guiding. Stock photography. If you have a passion for photography and a talent for capturing compelling images, you can monetize your photos by selling them on stock photography websites such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. These platforms allow photographers to upload their photos and earn royalties each time their images are licensed or sold to customers for various purposes such as websites, advertisements, publications, and more. While the earnings from stock photography can vary depending on factors like image quality, subject matter, and market demand, photographers can increase their earning potentials by consistently uploading high-quality images and building a diverse portfolio across different categories and themes. Content creation. Content creation has become a popular avenue for earning money online, with platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitch offering sponsorships, brand partnerships, merchandise sales, and fan donations. Creators can produce a wide range of content including vlogs, tutorials, reviews, comedy skits, gaming streams, and more, catering to their target audience's interests and preferences. While building a successful channel or profile may require time, dedication, and creativity, popular content creation can earn substantial income streams that exceed only $160 per day through a combination of ad revenue, sponsorships, and other monetization methods. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, you can leverage your knowledge by tutoring others online through platforms like Check Tutors, tutor.com. Online tutoring allows tutors to connect with students globally and provide personalized academic support or skill development in areas such as mathematics, science, language arts, test preparation, music, and more. Virtual Assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative support businesses to services. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants provide administrative support services to businesses, entrepreneurs, executives, and individuals remotely. Common tasks performed by virtual assistants include managing emails, scheduling appointments, organizing documents, conducting research, handling customer inquiries, managing social media accounts, and more. Virtual assistants can work independently or through platforms like Virtual Assistant or Zirtual, which connects VAs with clients in need of assistance. Earnings for virtual assistants vary depending on factors such as experience, skill level, specialized knowledge, and the complexity of tasks assigned. So there you have it, fellow hustlers. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this glimpse into the world of mobile money making has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to take action. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and insights on how to make most of your smartphone in the digital age. Until next time, stay happy and stay hustling. Thanks.